Hot melt glue is something many of us have come across. Unlike other types of glue that dry at room temperature, hot melt glue needs to be heated when used and requires a special glue gun. So, what exactly is hot melt glue? By definition, hot melt glue is a type of thermoplastic adhesive. Within a certain temperature range, its physical state changes with the temperature, but its chemical properties remain unchanged. That's why it is called hot melt glue. In theory, it could be reused if heated again, but in practice, it is rarely reused because reheating after use is not convenient, and the quality may deteriorate. Hot melt glue is primarily made from basic resins, stabilizers, viscosity modifiers, pigments, and other components. It is usually sold in cylindrical sticks. To use it, the glue is heated in a glue gun until it melts and can be applied to the surface of the material that needs bonding. Once it cools, the bond is complete. The composition of hot melt glue is quite simple, and it has been around since the late 19th century. The first hot glue gun was invented in the mid-20th century, and a patent for it was granted in 1941. This glue was first widely used in shoemaking due to its quick heating capabilities. Unlike other adhesives, hot melt glue starts as a solid at room temperature and must be melted before use, while most other glues can be applied directly and cure through chemical reactions. Hot melt glue is affordable, versatile, and can be used to bond various materials like wood, foam, and plastic. However, it works best on surfaces that are textured or porous. On very smooth surfaces, it can peel off once it cools, and it also doesn't adhere well to greasy or wet surfaces. While hot melt glue is convenient and easy to use, it also has its limitations. It is not as strong as some other adhesives, and although the glue itself is tough and hard to break, it has poor resistance to shock, adhesion, and high temperatures. Therefore, it is not suitable for bonding large or frequently handled components. One advantage of hot melt glue is that it can be easily removed. If the glue gets on a tire, clothing, or any other surface, it can be heated slightly to soften and then scraped off. On smooth surfaces, you can simply scrape it off once it cools, leaving no residue behind. Now that you know all about hot melt glue, have you ever used it yourself? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this information useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.